Our analysis of the June 10, 2023 tribunal proceedings will begin with the Labour Party legal team bringing boxes of evidence into the tribunal session. The tribunal expects to start where it stopped the previous day with the playing of the video clips from Channels Television, as well as the cross-examination and testimony of the staff of the station that was subpoenaed. I have a full video on what happened the previous day at the tribunal. You can watch by clicking on the link in the description below. To begin, here are the counsel for the petitioners and the respondents, that is Bola Tinubu and Kashim Shettima, the APC and INEC. Peter Obi and the Labour Party legal team is led by Lizzie Uzoku. The APC legal team is led by Bashorun SAN. The Bola Tinubu Kashim Shettima legal team is led by Olujimi SAN. First, the tribunal ruled on the motion filed by Peter Obi and the Labour Party to question INEC on the technology they used to conduct the general election. As I already reported in this video here, the court denies the application. The reason being that even though the application was filed at the right time during the pre-hearing, the judges should have been reminded to rule on it during that phase of the case. The court said it was not their responsibility to remind petitioners to push for a hearing on applications they file. As I said in this other video, this is not a loss for Peter Obi as many are claiming it to be. To me, it is a draw. I explained what I meant by that in this video. Check it out. The link is in the description as I said before. So let's move into the case proper. The Channels TV staff ID card was tagged as exhibit by the court. The court is now ready for the video clips to be played. Okutaba SAN asked the court for permission for the video clips entered into evidence the previous day to be played, and the tribunal agreed. The first video is of INEC chairman speaking of the process and technology to be deployed for the elections.
On this note, let me once again reassure Nigerians that there is no going back on the deployment of the bimodal voter accreditation system BVAS for voter accreditation. There is no going back on the transmission of results on the INEC result viewing portal in real time on election day.
I think the whole world remembers this solemn promise by INEC. But it was important for the tribunal to hear the chairman speak for himself to underscore the gravity and weight of his promise to Nigerians. Professor Mahmood promised Nigerians that the result will be uploaded from the polling units onto the IRF in real time, that is, immediately the results were counted as prescribed by law. As this video was playing, something interesting happened. The Labour Party counsel asked that the video be stopped and moved to the next video, presumably because he thought the tribunal has heard what the team wanted the judges to hear. However, the presiding judge says he wanted to keep watching. He was taking in everything. I believe this is a good sign for Peter Obi and the team because the tribunal does not see this as a frivolous evidence. This is the heart of the matter. As strange as this sounds, even the INEC chairman agreed with Labour Party that the video be stopped, but the judges insisted on watching everything. That tells you something. You might be wondering why the Labour Party team wanted to shorten the video playing. I believe they were just trying to save time for other activities they've lined up for the day. But the judges said not to worry, that they will give them time, so the video played. After the first video played, the second was played as well.
We are confident that the portal will not fail. But if we have any challenge whatsoever relating to the uploading of polling unit level results, the ICT department knows what to do. So
you heard that right. The INEC commissioner assured all of us that INEC technicians know what to do in case polling unit officers are unable to upload results to the IRF. Basically, it means there was a plan B as it ought to be. Still, nothing worked. The reason can only be a deliberate sabotage by those who were just told know exactly what to do. The next video is about VP candidate announcement by Bola Tinubu.
To win this election so that we can bring jobs, eliminate poverty, educate our children, bring up our grandchildren without thinking of religious division.
Here, we had another mild drama. After a few minutes of this video playing, the Labour Party said they were done, but APC council jumped up and said, No, we want to watch it. This video must finish playing to the end, Honorable. Justice Bello agrees with him, saying to the Labour Party Council, you presented this flash drive in evidence and so we must watch it to the end. If you're wondering why the APC is insisting on playing the video to the end, trust me, it's only a subterfuge. There is no legal benefit for them whatsoever, except perhaps to waste time. Basically, the evidence in this video being played is about the double nomination of Kashim Shettima, who was a senator nominee at the same time he was nominated by Bola Tinubu. If you recall, the Supreme Court ruled on this issue on the side of Bola Tinubu because the PDP that brought the case to court at the time did not have locus standi. Locus standi means that a party seeking a legal remedy must show they have sufficient connection to the action being challenged in court. The Supreme Court said the PDP did not, but Peter Obi does, so we shall see how the judges rule on this matter. Now, let's move on to the cross-examination of the Channels TV staff that was subpoenaed by the Labour Party. The INEC counsel was the first to cross-examine the witness. He said, Mr. Lucky Witness, you must be very lucky. I don't have any question for you today. Then, it was the turn of Bola Tinubu's lawyer. He walked to the witness and asked, how are you? The witness replied, fine, sir. He continued, are you a reporter? Yes, sir, I am. The witness tendered. You said in your statement that the cameraman of your company recorded this video? Yes, I did. So, where is he? Is the cameraman alive? Yes, he is, the witness said. Bola Tinubu's lawyer continued, and the people in the interview and the chairman of INEC are still alive? Yes, at this time, the witness answered. Yes, at this time. Now, if you are wondering why these strange questions, you are not alone. Is somebody hoping someone was not alive? Because if they happen to be dead, they cannot provide evidence, can they? I just hope this is not an indirect message or warning to someone somewhere. Why this is even more weird is that the APC legal counsel stood up and basically asked the same set of questions about witness potentially being dead or alive. How strange. Anyways, after these exchanges, the Labour Party counsel asked for permission to continue with the tendering of evidence. The process continued with the APC mostly opposing, but the tribunal allowed the documents to be entered into evidence. Well, that's it from me today. I just wanted this video to be short. We will return next week for more updates from the courts. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon for more videos from me. That is, if you have not already done so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.